Oh, mama. Oh, mama.
Yard yard and yard abroad. Yeah, yard abroad. Now, this message is for you. I want to remind you that Mother's Day is coming. And I want you to do something for Big Mama. You know Big Mama? Yes, Big Mama is the auntie of the community. Or that one lady that you know mother all the way. The one place that we go ramp all day and we always get something to snack on before we go home. She's also the lady that reaches out and helps your mother when your mother is not able to do it. So when you're done ramp, you get a one snack and you gone to your yard. But we never see that lady work more than a day in her life. Where she get the money from to do it? That's who is Big Mama. Big Mama is the one that has it all and does it all for all of us. Mother's Day is coming. Let's do something special for Big Mama. Send Big Mama a flat rate food box. She deserves it. Mother's Day gift. Now, you and I know that when you do something good for somebody, them always want you to do something else. So, this is what we recommend. We can take off the name of your package for you. So, Big Mama get it. Big Mama don't even have to know where it's coming from, you know. She just know that she get a flat rate food box because she's loved and appreciated by a person that passes right through her hands. Okay? On the delivery instructions, however, you need to put that it's for Mother's Day. Also, if you want to have the delivery tag removed, put that in the special delivery instruction as well, that you'd like the tag to be removed, and you will get a 10% discount. Remember, we guarantee we're going to give you a 10% discount as long as you put Mother's Day in the delivery instruction. Some of us are doing great overseas. You know, we have the family, we have the dog, the white picket fence, we have the pool, we live in the life. So if you're able to send Big Mama a flat screen TV, this is the time to do it as well. And put Mother's Day on it. We guarantee Big Mama would love it. You and I know that Big Mama would appreciate it. I remember the Big Mama in my community, Miss Bev. She was a lovely lady. She still is a lovely lady. And these are the kind of things that we need to do to appreciate those matriarchs, the women that stood for us and protected us while we were growing. Take care of Big Mama, man. Go on our webpage and select flat rate food box. All the information is there. You do not need to contact customer care because it is self-contained. Send Big Mama a flat rate food box. She will love it. Go ahead.